Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Our today's video is a step-by-step tutorial about how to crochet these beautiful hair ties. Join us as we explore the world of crochet and add a unique touch to your hair accessory collection. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more creative content. Viewers, please watch the video from start to end so you can learn it in better way. Okay, let's start. I am using 3mm crochet hook and 3-ply crocheting yarn. We will start it from flower section. For flower petals, firstly we will make 32 chain stitches. After making slip knot, we will make 32 chain stitches. So after making 32 chain stitches, now we will start to making our first row. Skip 2 stitches and attach at third stitch with half double crochet. Yarn over one set crochet needle and pull the yarn through third stitch and pull the yarn through all 3 stitches. This is our half double crochet stitch. We will make one half double crochet at next stitch, one half double crochet at next stitch. We will make one half double crochet at all 30 stitches. Here we have reached at the end of our first row, and this is our last half double crochet stitch. After this we will make 5 chains, 2, 3, 4 and this one 5. After making 5 chains, turn to back side and skip 2 stitches and attach at third stitch with single crochet stitch. Again make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one 5 chain and skip 2 stitches and attach at third stitch with single crochet. Follow this pattern at the end of this row. Make 5 chains and attach at third stitch with single crochet. So at the end of second row, this is our last 5 chains. We will attach these 5 chains at the last stitch of this row. Now after this we will make 1 chain and turn to back side. Now we will make 9 double crochet at this first space. This is our first double crochet, second double crochet, third, this one is 4 double crochet at this first space, 5, this one is 6, 7 double crochet, 8th double crochet, so these are our 8 double crochet. Now we will make one more double crochet at this first space. Now we have 9 double crochet at this first space. Now we will make one single crochet at this first space. So this is our first petal. Now jump to next space and make one single crochet at next space. Now again make 9 double crochet at second space. After making 9 double crochet stitches, again make one single crochet at this second space. So these are 9 double crochet at the second space. Now we will make 1 single crochet at second space. So this is our second petal. Repeat this pattern at all spaces and complete this row. 1 single crochet, 9 double crochet and 1 single crochet at same space. So here we have complete our third row. We have complete our all petals pattern. At the end, make last single crochet at last round and then make 1 chain and cut off extra yarn. Then make knots between the starting end and the last end together and cut off extra yarn. Now we will start to fold these petals to make them flower shape at the end of last round. So now we will start to fold these petals like this way. Here we have complete our flower pattern. Now we will start to making the sepals part. For sepals part, firstly make a magic ring, then make 1 chain. After this, we will make 5 single crochet into this magic ring. This is our first single crochet, second single crochet, this one third single crochet, fourth, and this is our last fifth single crochet into this magic ring. Now tighten the thread and attach the last stitch to the first chain with slip stitch. After making this slip stitch, now pull this last stitch tightly. And by pulling this loop tightly, we should have a little bit short distance between the first and last stitch at the end of the second round. Now from here we will start to make our second round. At the start of second round, firstly make 1 chain, then make 2 single crochet at this first same stitch. Then make 2 single crochet at second stitch, 2 single crochet at third stitch. We will make 2 single crochet at next all stitches. At the end of this second round, we should have 10 single crochet stitches. So here we have reached at the end of second round. Because of pulling the loop tightly, here we have a really short distance. If you not pull the last loop of last slip stitch of previous round, then our distance will made and it will not give a finishing look. It looks so bad. So here we have made the slip stitch and pull this loop tightly. Now at the start of third round, firstly make 1 chain, then make 1 single crochet at first stitch and 2 single crochet at second stitch. Then make 1 single crochet at third stitch and 2 single crochet at fourth stitch. Repeat this pattern 1 single crochet at first stitch and 2 single crochet at second stitch and complete this third round. At the end of third round, we should have 15 single crochet stitches. So here we will make a slip stitch to join first stitch to the last chain with slip stitch. Now make 1 chain and start fourth round. Firstly make 1 single crochet at first stitch, 1 single crochet at second stitch and 1 increase at third stitch. It means 2 single crochet at third stitch. So here we have set off 2 single crochet and 1 increase. We will repeat this pattern and complete fourth round. At the end of fourth round, we should have 20 single crochet stitches. Now at the end, attach last chain to the first stitch with slip stitch. Now at the start of fifth round, we will firstly make 6 chains. This one first, second, third, fourth, fifth and this is 6th chain. After making 6 chains, now skip first chain and attach at second chain with slip stitch. Then make 1 single crochet at third chain. Then make 1 half double crochet at fourth chain. Then make 1 double crochet at fifth chain. And then make 1 triple crochet at this 6th last chain. With this pattern, our first sepal is ready. Now attach this sepal at 4th stitch. Skip 3 stitches and attach at 4th stitch with slip stitch. Now from here we will start to making our second sepal. We will repeat the same pattern 6 chains. Attach at second chain with slip stitch. Then make 1 single crochet at third chain, 1 half double crochet at fourth chain, 1 double crochet at fifth chain and 1 treble crochet at sixth chain. After completing sepal pattern, then attach at 4th stitch. Skip 3 stitches and attach at 4th stitch with slip stitch. Repeat this same pattern and make 5 sepals. So here we have reached at the end of our last round. This is our last sepal. Attach this last sepal at the first stitch of first sepal with slip stitch. Now cut off extra yarn and secure it at inner side. Now we will assemble the three parts: sepals, petals and hair tie. Firstly, put this sepal at the back side and attach with the help of glue. You can attach with the help of sewing needle. After attaching sepals with flower, then we will attach a rubber band at the middle of sepals part. A little cute crochet flower hair ties are ready. These look so cute in different colors. Hope you like it. Viewers, if you like my project, then please give your feedback in comment section below. Your feedback is really valuable for me. I have explained each and everything about this video, but if you have any question or confusion about this video, then please ask in comment section below. I will answer it, and also share my video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.